It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance again, and here we are at this house in Preston where we have been asked to come along and paint some windows. The windows haven't been painted for about 10 years and they're looking quite sad and sorry. We have sanded and prepared them and removed the flaky paint, and you can see that the paint came off very easily. It was barely holding on, and now the timber is bare and the windows are unprotected, which makes them vulnerable for rot and damage by water and by sun. And when you stand back and have a look at these windows, they just don't look very nice, and it's time that they were really given another coat of paint, or at least 2 coats of paint, to protect them and bring them back to life. This is a lovely part of the house with the garden here, and the windows are really what are letting this part of the home down, and we just want to come along here and create a lovely looking area. And it's very easy to do. Basically, all we have to do, as we've already done here, is put 2 coats of paint on the windows, and then make sure that we clean the glass so that we don't leave any paint on the glass, and so that we don't leave the place messier than what it was when we started. And now with the sun shining and the trees all nice and trimmed, these windows really stand out and look really amazing. And most importantly, they're now protected from the weather. So this Preston house has had its windows repaired, refilled, sanded, repainted with 2 coats of exterior low sheen, which is a very lovely high wearing paint. And in the back here now, the courtyard does not any longer look unsightly. It looks really nice and sharp and really crisp, and a really lovely place to sit under. And you can see the difference. The before and after is really dramatic. There isn't any bare timber anymore. There's no scratches from the dog, and there's no flaky paint, which means the weather won't get in, it won't damage the timber frame, and therefore it won't create a massive problem in the future with carpentry repairs and window replacement. We've made this place look really sharp. It's a lovely place to sit in now, and the windows don't detract from the beautiful space that is on this deck, with the chairs and the table to enjoy the garden and a coffee. And it's just looking really sharp. We also made sure that we protected the flowers and we didn't ruin any flowers while we were using our step ladders in those areas. And there you have it, a very lovely looking exterior from any angle that you